Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use Poe AI to create binary bot. So first thing what you will do is open up the Poe AI application into your device. And now from here guys, as you can see, you will have here multiple categories. You will have official bots, reasoning bots, search bots. So from here guys, you could just simply select all over here on the official bots. Now, once you have see all, you can just simply go to the search bar over here and search for binary bot. And now from here, you will have multiple options, guys. And now from here, as you can see, you will have the title, which is the bold one, and you will have the description down below it, and you will have the monthly users that are currently using these bots. So for now, guys, you will have here code text signals. So you could just simply select which one you prefer. And as you can see, this bot will help me to suggest signals for binary options trading and futures options trading. So it will take data from TradingView, Binance, and Codex. And now, as you can see, it already said, hello, I am your trading assistant. So guys, I prompt the bot, what is the best trade currently, and give me top 5 and why. So from here, it pretty much will help you be more knowledgeable about trading. And from here, guys, you could use this information to decide whether you want to trade on that field. And pretty much over here, guys, you should be able to have a assistant on your trade, and you should be able to create binary bot. I hope this video helped you understand more. And guys, the better the prompt or message that you give, the better it will perform. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.